Good day, everyone. Today I have a DIY backyard patio makeover and tour. This all began because I just needed my backyard to get just summer ready and clear of all the clutter. I wanted a serene space where I can go and read and just sit and just listen to the birds sing. And I started by having to cover up the extra area that housed a trailer and other equipment that is in the yard. And so I fenced off portion of my backyard so that and all the equipment was completely covered up. And yes, I was continuing to work in the rain. I was very determined. This is a collaboration also with Miss Decorating with Barbara, and she has a great home decor channel, and her link will be down below with the playlist in the description area. And I have been working on this patio for a few months here, and I started with my old picnic table. I'm not going out to buy new furniture, but I am going to DIY a couple of pieces for the back patio. I just like a very calm, easy look, sort of a park feel. I don't have a front porch big enough to put my rockers or a bench on, so I like to have a bench. Sort of feels like I am at the park. So I'm going to start with the bench, and I'm going to give it a good sanding along with my old benches as well. And then I'm going to take a trip out, as you see here, to the nursery. I needed a couple of boxwoods to replace because during the winter storm here this past year they were destroyed. Big boxwoods, and I hope they're not sickly, but I needed to replace them. So I'm really liking them in comparison to these. These are huge. They have been going for some years, and I think these have gotten kind of sick as well. I need to move that back there and clean up my flower bed here. But look how big they are. Here, where I had to pull up two of my old ones that died. Here I'm just giving you a little tour of a portion of the backyard, and this is what the patio is looking like thus far. As you can see, the benches have been made along with a little table, and I have painted them in black. I went with a black color just so that I can have a little variety of color. And I'm just going to uncover the table because it had been raining, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a little light sanding as well as get ready to paint it. Of course, you'll need your roller, can opener to open your paint, and of course some outdoor paint, and give it a good stir, and then painting the entire table. The little holes where shot the nails in, putting it together. Never did fill them, so I'm going to go through and fill the holes right now because it needs filling all of the holes and the cracks. And I'm using a little bit of caulk, and it is going to dry very clear so you won't see it. And then I will go ahead and paint out the columns as well as a portion of the top of the patio. I'm not going to get inside all across the top because eventually I'm going to go in and put a actual cover along the open part, as you can see here at the top of the patio cover. Once all of that is done, I'm going to go ahead and paint the other old bench. Of course, I gave it a little sanding to knock away all of the loose paint. I'm going to go ahead and trim all of my extra boxwoods that are along the side of the fence as well. And I hope they survive because they are looking a little sick. And here's all of the pillows that I have made for the benches for the outdoor area. Basic black and a neutral, and you can also flip one of them over and it has a magnolia print on it along with a stripe. Just add a lot of texture and of course some extra color variation. I have here is my live ferns They are fresh and they are not faux. The fern inside of the pot here, and just put them on the sides of the patio. And again, along with the items that I already made or DIY, like the benches, I'm using a lot of items that I already had, just giving them a refresh, maybe painting, good wash down, and just adding them along the patio area, as you can see. And this is just some ideas that you can take away as well, tips, tricks, hints, and ideas to use maybe in your backyard space, or if you don't have a huge backyard, your small patio, or along your apartment, how you have the outdoor patio area outside of maybe your sliding door. You can add little touches like maybe a fern in a pot and an extra chair, just to give you that outdoor feel where you can go and sit and read and just have a serene space, maybe even to people watch. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'm going to add an extra little pretty touch along the table just for some added color, and of course to come outside and maybe take me a drink after all of this work I have put in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button, and do go by the description area to find Decorating with Barbara's video as well. And I'll see you all for the next one.